This is Flipping 101.
We're a little excited, but intimidated.
You should be excited. And this house is how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage?
It's 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 1,800 square feet.
And what did you pay for the house?
$411,000.
What do you think you're gonna sell it for?
$520 is the goal.
And how much do you think the construction is gonna cost?
Our budget is $30,000.
Let's look at this house. Oh, you didn't tell me it smelled like that.
Yep,
It's
bad.
the smell of future money.
Hopefully.
My first impression, it has a nice floor plan for the size of the house. You have a nice living room. You got a fireplace back there. So we got the kitchen. It definitely needs a full remodel. It is gross.
Our idea is actually to knock down this wall right behind you.
That's a lot of work. Can you show me the addition?
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
I will follow you. Ooh, this is slow pink.
Yeah.
You feel that the grade drop?
Yep.
This is the addition that we're standing in.
This is it. So we're gonna have to knock this wall down, and this is where the kitchen is gonna continue on, making the kitchen long. And then right here is where I wanted to have that wall to go ahead and make the master.
That would be extremely expensive, and really all you're doing is moving around the master and the kitchen. You're not actually adding anything, and you're not opening up the space. Wow, that bathroom needs some work. Complete gut job. So this is the master. Oh my God.
This is an ensuite.
I know.
Oh God.
It's pretty bad. So what I was thinking, I was gonna put the bathtub on this side, kind of put the toilet on this side, and then maybe the vanity.
I mean, a lot of structural changes that you guys want to do.
Sounds like a lot of money.
It's gonna cost a fortune to move around the plumbing, so my suggestion is keep the plumbing where it is and maximize the existing footprint. See this storage closet right here? This should be blown out. You should do a full-size shower, and now you have a shower that's twice the size.
Perfect.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
This is the backyard.
Wow, this is a jungle. So what do you envision happening back here?
Just green grass everywhere.
Taking out all these old trees.
Based on everything you told me you want to do with the house, how much do you think that's gonna cost?
I am hoping it costs us $30,000. And that's our life savings. So it's scary. It's scary.
Well, it's about to get scarier. To do everything you want to do, you're closer to 90 to 100,000. I'll give you the real numbers of the situation. 411 for the house. Let's just say that you do take my advice and you put 50,000 into the rehab. You have about 20,000 in closing costs. Did you get a loan on the property?
Yes.
We did.
So what is your total monthly payment?
Close to $3,000.
So let's call it $3,000.
Yeah.
You're gonna have about 5 months in carry costs, which is 15,000. That's $496,000 to break even if everything goes right. And you're trying to sell it for $520,000. So that is not a margin. You just bought this house at the wrong price. There's zero chance I would have bought this house. So my question I have to ask now is, are you able to come up with more than $30,000?
We're gonna have to maybe ask family to let us borrow some money.
We're putting literally everything to make this happen.
So I mean, you guys are all in. Life savings, everything.
We're all in. We can lose a lot of money on this deal. And
All of our money.
all of our money. What can we do now? We're in it.
You know, you guys bought the house. We just got to get going. Just get a contractor. We'll get the demo started. We'll go from there.
We definitely need a drink after this.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I haven't heard from you.
We've been going through some issues here.
It's not starting the way we want it.
The first guy that came out here ripped us off. He was supposed to demo and trash out is what he was going to do
I gave $1,500.
Up front?
up front. And he just...
Stop showing up.
Was he licensed? Is it a company or is it a dude?
No, it's a
It's
dude.
a dude.
You guys, listen. Here, okay, one, expect to get ripped off when you pay a dude. Two, if someone gets hurt and they don't have license and insurance, expect to get sued. You're liable. You're talking about demo. That's the most dangerous part of the construction. So you guys are off to a pretty bad start here.
I mean, nobody likes getting ripped off, but the bigger loss here is time. You gotta hire a contractor.
Right away. You need bids, and you need bids like yesterday. Don't make the same mistakes twice.
Right. 30,000, I'm gonna say just don't even, it's not even gonna be in the realm.
Lydia and Fernando met with some contractors and ultimately went with the one that bid 60,000. They had to ask Lydia's father to cover the additional costs, and I've been there, it's not a fun conversation. Now they're gonna have to scrimp and save every penny, hoping that they can pay him back. I'm pretty surprised about this, but since hiring the contractor, they're actually moving fast.
Today we're meeting our plumber.
When we turned the water on with the city, there was just water shooting out everywhere.
We've determined there's a slab leak. There are multiple leaks in several shower stems. We always recommend a repipe to the attic.
Sounds expensive.
You're looking at $1,600. Yeah,
We're just like so stressed out.
think
I'm
Leslie-
dreaming about this
She
at
was
night.
dreaming about it, yeah. And I just keep stressing out about the numbers. It just keeps adding up and adding up and adding up.
So this is new.
Check out the garage door, man. We went with black.
It looks great.
I wanted to ask your opinion on the lawn. Lydia wants to resolder the whole thing. I want to just save money and just leave it the way it is. You think that works?
No.
Oh.
I mean, it's the first thing you see when you drive up to the house. Do you have anything budgeted towards sod?
We do not.
Well, if you wanted to save money on the landscaping, you should have started the job weeks ago. Put seed, put fertilizer, and let the grass grow while you're working on the inside of the house. It takes time to make it green, though. So at this point, you probably have to resod the front yard.
I really don't want to do it.
You can't sell the house like this. Sod, that's what you need. You have to do it. After our talk, Fernando decided to roll the dice and seed the lawn anyways. If he had a plan in the beginning, he wouldn't be over budget and he wouldn't be obsessing about saving every penny. But that's kind of where we're at. And between you and me, it's just never gonna happen. It was a really rough start, but these two finished quickly. Now I'm meeting with Lydia and Fernando to figure out a list price so we can get it on the market. You paid $411,000 for the house, got the construction done for $62,000. The good news is you finished faster than I estimated, so your total carrying costs are only $9,000. And your closing cost to sell the house is about $20,000. Your break even is $502,000.
Correct. I know our margins are very tight.
I mean, it's beyond tight. Let's just be real here.
Yeah.
Like, really, really scary still. What do you guys want to list for?
I personally think we should list at $549,900. We pulled two comps. One of them sold for $550,000 and the other one for $545,000.
But the comps that I found that are high, they are a little bit out of the area. Your location is selling for under $500,000. If it were my house, I'd probably list it at $524,900. If it's priced where it really needs to be, you'll get multiple offers and there's a chance you sell above $524,900.
I think $549,900 is the right price. If it doesn't work out, we'll drop it. And then what if it does work out?
Well, I mean, there's a chance at $550,000 that nobody even shows up.
So let's do $525,000, I guess. And then if $530,000, $540,000, $550,000 comes up, then we're blessed.
525.
All right, it's your house.
But at
We'll do
least we
that.
get a lot of attention.
Yeah.
The pressure is on, so to find out what buyers really think, we're setting up cameras so we can watch the open house from my mobile office.
I'm super nervous. Are you nervous, bro?
I'm very nervous.
All right, guys, first group coming up.
Come on in, take a look at the house.
It's missing some curb appeal. All the grass missing.
First thing I heard was grass is missing.
You know,
That yard is not looking so good, guys.
Wow, it's so wide open.
I heard a wow.
This is really cute. What do you think of the front room?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah?
Oh, look at this.
I don't think I'm too crazy about the fireplace.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that. How do you not like that?
she didn't like it.
Really love the design of the backsplash.
Oh, they like the
Fire note.
backsplash,
Good.
and you saved a lot of money.
I don't love this wall in the middle of the room.
Oh, no.
You talking about the wall?
This wall's kind of in the way a little bit.
Yeah, see how big that wall is? It just takes up the entire house.
Oh, wow, look at this.
Yeah, I really like this little room down here.
Remember that back addition? It was just really bad.
You had to get through it through a room.
It's much better than it was before.
Bathroom bathroom's beautiful. I wouldn't change anything. I love it. Well, the tile is perfect.
Whoa.
This is a room for me. Nice
You
for
see yourself
me.
sleeping in here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look at the kids like the rooms.
Yay!
This is the master. I like the design of it. I like the double vanity. They did a stand-up shower.
I dig the shower.
It's a good size.
It's a good size.
You like that kind of shower.
Kind of plain, but there's some potential here.
They need to add more grass because it's like
Focus on the inside.
dirt patches.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you definitely have to add some more grass back here, huh?
It's getting there though.
Yeah, but getting there should happen before you're there. We are there, buddy. Those are buyers.
How'd you guys like it?
A couple things that, you know, we probably change up, but no, overall, very nice.
It's pretty much turnkey. It looks great though.
They did a good job. Yeah. Really, really good job.
Oh,
All right.
Make an offer.
After only 1 week on the market, Lydia and Fernando accepted an offer at $570,000.